And I guarantee you that the prompt that this just generated is way better than whatever prompt 9 times out of 10 somebody is typing into Cursor to go and implement. And so we find that, and we use this all the time for us actually building Moonnox ourselves, like we're able to get a requirement built in much fewer shots than we were before because we're able to go from our requirement gathering sessions to a fully fleshed out story to a really tight prompt to then working code in literally just clicks. Like you saw the whole flow there. I didn't really type anything. I literally went from a suggestion on my project homepage to a ticket that I clicked apply to an implementation plan to Cursor going and doing the work. I didn't even need to do anything. So when we think about orchestrated delivery, like that's really where we think we're heading. Pretty cool.
David, can I pause you there for a moment?
Absolutely.
You may or may not have noticed wow faces, thumbs up, clapping emojis all coming in. And we have a question. I have two questions. The first one for you is related to this. And it asks, does this work with declarative solutions too?
Absolutely. Yes. 100%. So what's really powerful about this can be customized to your business and your firm's methodology and knowledge. So these implementation plans can just as easily be exported into a Word document that can then be handed off to somebody to go and configure it. 100%. Like this could very easily just be put into here's the click guide, go configure this and just go and do it. The other thing for like, if, for example, like a system like, Salesforce, where there's a declarative component, but then there's also like a API where you're able to go and code it, you can actually, mix and match there too. The best of both worlds. But yes, the short answer is yes.
Fantastic. Okay, one more. This is gonna take us back a little bit, so we could do this now or we could do it later. And just a question about the project health. So one of our participants asked, how is that configured? So we can show that. And just a specific example, like if we have one bad call, is the project health going to turn? Like what criteria does it use to determine this health score?
Great question. So what you're able to set is you can build, and we have out of the box, we have an agent that does this, but you can also customize this. And there's an agent that gets added to every single project that will that attaches itself to whenever a project gets created.